Hello everybody, welcome to Ankara Nation Online Training. My name is Lizzie. On this channel, I'll be teaching you how to make Ankara accessories. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you! Today, we're on the making of Ankara earring with paper fiber. This is the material I'll be using. Ankara material. Fiber. Now, this is what we have gotten. After gumming our material to our paper fiber, this is what it will look like. Now, take your material, place your paper fiber on it, and cut out the same shape of your material, same shape of your oval shape of your paper fiber on your material, and cut it out. Now, you cut it out, no excess this time, cut the same size. Now, this is what we have gotten. You place this one to cover the back of your paper fiber like this. Now we'll be adding gum. We'll add gum to our paper fiber. After adding your gum, you gum your material to your paper fiber like this. This is what it will look like. This is what it will look like. After gum, this is the front and this is the back. Now, you take your earring hook, the dangling one, this one, we'll add it to our earring. Now, we'll be adding our earring hook to our paper fiber. This is the kind of earring hook we are using, the dangling one. But before you add it, you take your needle and took hole here. Took your hole at the top of your paper fiber before you add your dangling earring hook. This is our needle. You took your hole inside. Now, after using your needle to make hole inside your paper fiber, you bring it out. Take your earring hook and add it to the hole like this. This is what we have gotten. This is our dangling earring. We can decide to use the pin one, the hook earring. You just add your candle wax and you put it like this. But now I use the dangling one. This is the finished work of our Ankara earring paper fiber. This is what we have gotten. This is beautiful. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.